mini lecture 1, gene editing, the CRISPR evolution and beyond. We are living in a post-CRISPR world where get editing is no longer science fictions but precious programmable reality. From correcting mutations in genetics disease to training immune cells to fight cancer, CRISPR is transforming medicine and biotechnology. What inspires me is how Germany is leading the charge in Europe, especially in dynamic research environments like Cologne and Bonn. Institutions here are pushing CRISPR beyond the lab and into real world applications with strong ethical frameworks. I hope to join this innovations ecosystem contribution to the next generation of gene editing tools that are not only powerful but also accessible and safe for global use.